Today I am going to highlight the importance of speech or the importance of speaking. For example, as soon as I entered in this room, I switched on my AC, then I sat down on my chair. Yesterday I sat down on this chair. Tomorrow once again I will sit on this chair. So same way you start describing the daily routine of your life in simple words, in simple sentences. The way a baby speaks, in the beginning he uses the simple sentences. So always start using the simple sentences, and bit by bit you will be able to learn the difficult things, difficult words, difficult sentences. Now I can explain it in other way. For example, if I have to describe my daily routine, then I can describe it like this. Today I woke up around 6 o'clock. Afterward, I brushed my teeth, then I went to washroom, and after coming out of washroom, then I took a bath. And later on I had my breakfast, and after all these activities I put on my trouser and shirt, and then I went to my office. And I came back late in the evening. So this way you can start describing your daily routine. And wherever you find some difficulties, wherever you find some problems, note it down and find out the words, suitable words from the dictionary, from the vocabulary, so that next time it will not remain a mistake. So this way start describing your daily routine and embrace your mistakes. They are the stepping stone. They will help you to improve your language. Bit by bit, little by little, you will be able to improve yourself. Now one more thing I would like to mention. Get a partner to whom you can talk and listen, and always try to get a partner who is comparatively better than you, because whenever you face some problem, whenever you face some difficulties, he is there to help you out. So that way things will become easier for you. And one more thing I would like to mention here, that record all these activities, whatever you describe, record all these things on your mobile phone on a recorder, so that afterward you can listen it and you can find out the mistakes done by you while you spoke, so that you can note it down and next time it will not remain a mistake. You can find out the mistakes in intonation, pronunciation, accent, speech, so that way you will be able to rectify them one by one. So always record your speech, always record whatever you describe, so that you can listen it afterward and you can find out your mistakes yourself. So this way things will become easier for you. And whenever you find some problem, whenever you find some difficulty, don't feel upset and dejected. Always try to motivate yourself. Always try to convince yourself that one day I will be able to overcome this problem. One day I will be able to overcome this obstacle. So this way always you have to convince yourself that it can become possible for you. Because sometimes you may feel upset and dejected when you encounter mistakes, when you feel that you are not going well, when you feel that I am not improving myself. Such kind of things may occur in the process of learning. So you don't feel upset and accept them as a part and parcel of learning, the way I mentioned in my previous video. Now repetition is the key to learning. Whenever you find some difficult words, whenever you find some problem in your speech, try to repeat it as many times as possible. So that way you will be able to overcome that problem. So whenever some difficult words is there, and difficult pronunciation is there, repeat it over and over again, so that it will become an inseparable part of your brain, and it will not remain a problem for you next time. So these are the things I wanted to share with you. Sometime when you don't get the right word at right time, replace it with some other words, correlated words. For example, if I don't get the word warehouses, and then in place of warehouse I can use the word big building. So that way try to find out some other similar words. whenever you are describing your daily routine. So this is all I had to share with you. Now in my next video I will highlight the importance of reading. Keep on watching my video and like, share and subscribe my channel Sanjay Singh Wizard of English. Go there in the playlist and you will find day-to-day English, and there I have arranged all these videos. So listen them and thank you. That's all for today.